Hi everyone, just want to give you an update on the Morris. There really hasn't been an awful lot of progress in the last 6 months, I'm afraid. I'm hoping that's going to accelerate now. I'm working on attaching a few things to the car, which is quite satisfying, although a little scary because I don't want to scratch the paintwork. The engine and gearbox are almost ready to go in. What you see basically is a painted body shell with suspension fitted. There's no electrical wiring, there's no brake system, there's no cooling, no fuel, and no interior, and actually no glass. And then brakes next, and then probably electrical and fuel, and then we'll think about getting the engine and gearbox in. So I'm hoping that we can make a lot of progress in early 23. As to when it's going to be drivable, anybody's guess. Now I want to tell you about the problems I've been having with my minor bonnet. Now the minor bonnet is a single skin pressing and it's pretty flexible. So Morris put in this cross bracing. Actually it's not this cross bracing because this is a replacement piece. When I got my minor there was no cross brace. They also had two diagonal rods which run down from the cross brace to the bonnet hinge down there. And also they have a curved piece at the back. Now I managed to source those pieces from someone in the minor club, which is good, and I've got them cleaned up. I'm going to paint them. And I'm hoping that when those are fitted, it'll support this piece a lot better and stop it twisting, as you can see. And it really wasn't helped by the fact that when the body shop put it in, they simply welded it right here, which didn't really give it enough strength. It kind of loses all the strength of the channel section there. Okay, this is very exciting. We've got a package. This is going to help with all my bonnet needs, I hope. Hey. Alright, all the way from Northern California. Alright, here we go. We've got the bonnet brace, curved brace, and the two diagonal rods. Superb. Now these might need a little bit of adaptation at the end to fit onto the custom cross brace that we used, but should work out very well.
Oh, yeah.
I'm making a bracket for the bonnet brace hood prop, or the attachment point where the hood prop connects with the bonnet brace. This is what it should look like in another car. And here's the extendable hood prop itself. Today we're working on the bonnet prop support. This is the bonnet prop. This is actually the extendable version from ESM, and we're figuring out a way to attach it to the bonnet brace here. Again, this is not the original bonnet brace. This is one we fabricated. It's not quite the same shape and profile, but it should do. We made up some brackets. Just fabricated this out of some sheet steel. Actually, it was some of the floor pan that I didn't use. And the brackets will fit like so. We'll screw them down, and then that'll attach to the top of the hood prop.
Where's the, you get sound on that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's full HD. Sorry, what do you want?
I want the Sharpie. Okay, now can we find
I wonder if those little bolts will work. Let's see.
a little bolt? What are you going to do? Take a picture of making it straight?
Well, I wasn't. We're just measuring up the rod to see whether it's true. Requires a little bit of adjustment. Not too bad though. Ken's managed to bend it into decent shape.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, good. So that's a lot more secure. Alright, do you want to carefully close it?
You got it?
Yep. Lovely. And then we've got a few other bits and pieces that I'm working on. This is the boot lid stay. These are the door check straps. They're not really straps, they're rods. Those need to be painted. This is the boot lid rubber. This is the firewall rubber. This is one of the rubber supports for the bonnet. It goes over here. Right there like that. And there's a little steel collar that goes inside on the bolt there. So we just attach this on here. Okay, here's the plan. Wax oil, rust proofing for cars. We're going to brush some of this on in the seams in the trunk boot in the hope that it can arrest any future rust. Trouble is, this stuff is pretty yucky and it has to be warmed up. I've been warming it up in a pan of hot water